Michael Grinder here. I'm very excited about March coming. We're going to spend the 4 Saturdays in March talking about couples communication. Now, some of you have written us with a couple of questions, and I wanted to address them. Number one, you don't have to attend live. It may not fit your schedule. I mean, it's Saturday, and different parts of the country, it's Saturday morning or Saturday afternoon. Everything is taped. You go to the drive that we're going to give you the URL for. You get to see it at your leisure. So take your time. Second question, you can ask me questions. I won't always have the answers, but we'll have a place where you can write them to me, and I address it in the latter half of each week. Third question, you don't have to be in a romantic relationship to attend. We've had some unusual but absolutely solid learners come that was a parent and an adult child. We've had siblings come. Whether you're in a romantic relationship or preparing for one, you want these skills. You have more questions? Just go to michaelgrinder.com/couples-workshop. You're going to love the skills. Thanks for considering, and we hope you join us.